Shri Parashakti Vidyala CBSE Class 8 Subject English.
Good morning, students. Hope you are all well. Today we are going to study the poem The Last Bargain, written by Rabindranath Tagore. All of you take your English textbook for the class. Let us go to the class. Students, I hope you that all of you took your English textbook for the class. Take the page number 76, The Last Bargain, written by Rabindranath Tagore. A bargain is an agreement in which both parties promise to do something for each other. Someone is looking for work, waiting to be hired. He strikes a bargain but thinks it worthless. He tries twice again but doesn't like either. Finally, in the last bargain, when he is hired for nothing whatever, he is happy as never before. What is the bargain and why is it the best? Come on and hire me, I cried while in the morning. I was walking on the stone paved road, sword in the hand. The king came in his chariot. He held my hand and said, I will hire you with my power. But his power counted for naught. He went away in his chariot. In the heat of the midday, the houses stood with a shut door. I wandered along the crooked lane. An old man came out with his bag of gold. He pointed and said, I will hire you with my money. He weighted his coin one by one, but I turned away. Summary of this line. A man was looking for a job. He was willing to serve anybody on payment. He was waiting to be hired. He walked along the stony road for an employer. The king carried a sword in his hand, came in his open royal vehicle. He catch the man by the arm and said that he was ready to hire him with his power. But the offer was rejected as power had no attraction for the man. The king went away. At midway it was hot, and the houses had their door shut. The man was going along the irregular lane. An old man, on hearing his offer, came to hire him with his gold coin. He counted the coin one by one, but gold also could not persuade the man to sell his service. Now take the page number 75. It was evening. The garden hedge was all aflower. The fair maid came out and said, I will hire you with a smile. Her smile paled and melted into tears, and she went back alone into the dark. The sun glistered on the sand, and the sea waves broke away wildly. The child sat playing with the shells. He raised his head and seemed to know me and said, I hire you with nothing. From henceforward, that bargain struck in child's play made me a free man. Written by Rabindranath Tagore. Summary of these lines. It was evening. The hedge round the garden were laden with flowers. A lovely maid came out and offered to hire him with her smile. But she too went away disappointed. Her smile turned into tears, and she was lost in the dark. In the setting sunlight, the sand around the seacoast shone golden. The sea waves beat their heads on the shore and broke up. A child sitting there was playing with a seashell. He said to the man that he was ready. He was ready to hire him, but without any payment. The man finalized the deal. He joined the child in game, and since then he felt like a free man. Here, a bargain is an agreement in which the parties promise to do something for each other. The man wanted to be hired. The king tried to hire him with his power, but for the man power count for nothing. Then comes a rich old man, which is gold coin. The third who went to hire the man is a pretty girl, but the man doesn't need power, gold, and a sweet love. He finally strikes a bargain with a little child for no price. His satisfaction is that he will remain a free man. This is the poem. You have to read this poem. Thank you, children.